guys, just wanted to share our cheap costume we made at the last minute. We dressed up as Cholo and Chola gangsters, and we did have to buy a few things, but if you have all of this at home, you can totally pull this off for free. First, I needed baggy khakis, so I ran to Goodwill and they had plenty. I also needed a black belt, and even though I had plenty of white t-shirts, my original idea was to cut it off, and I didn't want to cut any of my own shirts, so I went ahead and grabbed that from Goodwill too. I decided not to cut off the shirt because I like the shirt and will probably wear it again now. And I wore one of my husband's flannel shirts, so I didn't have to buy that. He was able to wear all of his own clothes, but he did run to Dollar General to pick us up some bandanas. They came in a pack of 3 for $3. He wore his slippers, and I wore my black tennis shoes I already had. For the hair, he spiked it up with some gel he already had and shaved his goatee into a Fu Manchu, and we added some mascara to darken it up. And for me, I used way more eye makeup than I would ever wear and even darkened my brows with black eyeliner. For the lip, I used a free birthday sample from Sephora, again colors I wouldn't normally wear, so it was fun to try it out for the night. They even say to line your lips with black eyeliner for the Chola look, but I didn't try that. If you have nice full lips, I think it would look great. And my fluffy blonde hair didn't go with the look, so I used this wax to darken it up and make it look a little greasy. I already had this in the cabinet. It was super cheap from Walmart. I use it to make my hair look piecey and beachy. And you can't forget the hoop earrings. I already had these, but if you have bigger hoops, go for it. The bigger the better. I already had the black nail polish from either the Dollar Tree or Walmart, so I did that too. All right, well, that's all we did for our last minute costume, but you can look this up on Pinterest and really go all out. You could do fake tattoos with the eyeliner, pile on the gold jewelry. You could also cut off your khakis and wear knee-high socks with Converse high tops, and you can have some boxers peeking out from your sagging khakis. Just have fun with it. We hope y'all have a safe Halloween. Thanks for watching.